As a portable purifying device, the ROPOT system does not require any installation and can simply be placed at anywhere near the power outlet. Connect the system to a power outlet with the power adapter and then turn on the switch. For the first-time use, we recommend to wash the water tank and the glass carafe before turning on the system. Next, fill the water tank to the max volume line and place it back to the system. Make sure both the water tank and the glass carafe are both stably placed. Press the banana shape to switch between different volumes indicated on the display panel. Then press the round water-making button to begin the filtering process. The filtering process is done when the system makes the beeping sound. Discard the water in the glass carafe, refill the water tank, and repeat the filtering process again. We recommend to repeat the process 4 to 6 times to flush the filters completely. The ROPOT water system is now ready for use and to bring you clean, healthy water at any time, anywhere.